Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve these soft locks. These 36-inch soft locks. So yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe, because why not? Like, you already here, you already watching the video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well subscribe. You might as well turn them post notifications on so you can be notified when I post a video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, before we get into this video, I'm gonna show y'all a few stuff that I used and I guess what I did. So I used 7 packs of this 18-inch, 6 packs of 1B, and 1 pack of golden brown or 30. And yeah, I got 1 blonde one. And I used 2 packs of this hair. I was supposed to get the passion twist hair, but they ain't have none, so I just got the hair, the passion twist that was already twisted up, and they still work good. Like, it still work good to me. Also use edge wax, Moray's edge wax, and Shine Gem mixed together. Okay, so yeah, for the 30 and the, I only got 1/613, but for the 30 and the 1/613, for the 30 hair and the 1/613 dread, I used Kankalong hair because I didn't like leftover expressions Kankalong hair, because I didn't want to buy a whole pack of 613 or 30, and I was only gonna use it for like 4 dreads. So I used Kankalong for this whole one. I wrapped 1 black dread in. I want wrap 1 black dread and 613 King expressions hair, and then I just wrapped like half to like here and 30. But you have to keep wrapping it more than once to make it stay. But for the passion, you really only gotta wrap it once. But for Kankalong, you gotta wrap it more than once and spray it. Oh, I also used Got to Be Blue spray. And the first half of my hair I used nail glue, but I ran out. And I'm gonna show y'all what I did after I ran out, because I didn't want to go get no more. Okay, so hey guys, first you want to start off by putting your hair in individual braids, and I just like braided my hair halfway down and then like twisted the rest so it wouldn't be like, it would be quicker to do all this. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all like, I'm gonna tell y'all how many packs I use for the hair part, and then how many packs I use for the extendo, because I be getting a little confused when people just be like, I just use 6 packs. Like, what? How many I'm supposed to use on my head? How many parts I'm supposed to do? Like, I didn't know how many parts I was supposed to do, because like, I don't know. Like, I don't even know how much in the pack. So I'm gonna tell you how much in the pack, how many dreads in the pack, and how many packs I use for the regular part, and then how many packs I use for the extendo part. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do like most of my head, and I'm gonna come back when I only got like the top to do, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, how I extend them, how I put them in, twist them. And these gonna be some professional tips, because I got these tips from a professional that do fox locks and soft locks for a living. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, so I'm back, and I left 2 out to show y'all. So first get your thing ready. Put it on your finger, get it ready. Okay, then have the hook like this. This hook is huge. I would not recommend. Get a smaller one, but my beauty supply didn't have a smaller one, but get a smaller one than this. And once you put it through, close the latch. I twist it so it can be smaller, and pull it back through. So after that, just open a hole and put the end through, and put it in there so not, you see. Okay, so it should look like this. Your hair, crochet hair. It should be a knot. Okay, so then you take some passion twist hair, and I'm just gonna cut this in half. This is 18-inch, and you stretch it, you know, make it a little frizzy. Okay, then you grab all of the pieces and take a short piece, wrap it, and then wrap the long piece, and then you grab the short piece, the braid, and the dread, and just wrap around the base 2 to 3 times or till it's tight enough. And then you just start to wrap it down. And if you want to make it more distressed, you just wrap it looser. If you want to make it like look like a fox lock or cover your hair, like if you have different color hair, you want to cover your hair, make it tighter. You see the distress, and once I get to the end, my ends are colored, so I wrap it tight around here so you can't see the color sticking out. And you just keep grabbing, keep wrapping, like, so it can get knotted up and tight. And so you know it won't come loose. And after that, get some Got To Be spray and just spray and twist. And this is what it should look like before you extend it. Okay, so make it distress, extra distress. You don't try to do it tight, like you skip pieces. Like you can still see the braid, but you can't tell it's the braid. And then sometimes you pull it tight, sometimes you do loose, sometimes tight. And then you just keep turning, keep turning. Like as you turn it, you're gonna be grabbing other hair just so it can keep catching on, like you see. So you get tangled in. Okay, for the extendo part, you get another dread and you open the hole, put the dread through the hole. Like this. Then you tie the end of the dread to the other dread. This is the extendo part. This is the regular dread. You just tie the regular dread to the extendo part. You just tie a knot. And I spray the knot. Then you just unravel this part. Okay, so the first, like a lot of my other dreads, I use nail glue, but I ran out of nail glue, so I'm gonna show you how I did it without nail glue. But with nail glue, all you would do is put the glue on the knot, take this out, wrap it around, and then put the glue on it again. But if you don't have glue, you just undo that part, wrap it around,
This is the knot. You get a small piece of hair, small skinny piece of hair, and just wrap it around a knot. This also makes the knot skinnier and less noticeable, like seamless. It makes the knot seamless. So you just wrap the hair around, you wrap up and down the knot. Then you just spray it again. This is it. Not coming loose. And you can't even tell where the knot is at. This is the knot. So that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all learned something from this tutorial. I hope y'all like these dreads because I think they look fire. And I never had dreads before or did them, but I think they look fire and professional and, you know, not homemade. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, comment down below, everything, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.